Are you also tired of bots in your server? Impose a verification system in your server just like this. Click Verify. It takes you to a verification button. Verify your Discord account in seconds. If the account is too new or is reported of any suspicious activity by Discord, the verification automatically fails. All legit Discord accounts are verified in seconds without any issues at all. So let's get right into how to set this up really fast. To set this up, simply follow my steps. Invite the secretary bot first, of course link in description. Now give this verification setup command. Message format is optional, but I recommend choose components option for a good looking embed. Now the setup with different buttons appear. Now press the channel button. Type the channel where you want the verification embed to appear. It is necessary to choose this. Next press give role button. Ping the role you want to give to those users who are verified. This is also a necessary choice. I have already created a verified role. Now all others are optional, but I like to choose a remove role option. You can set up a role that everyone gets called unverified or something. Users who verify their unverified role will be removed after verification. You can skip this part if you don't want something like this. Press submit when done customizing your stuff. Now time for a quick test. Press verify, make sure you don't have that role which you set up for people who are verified, or else it will assume that you are verified. And just like that, it is working as easy as possible. If you want more videos like this, subscribe. Also join our Discord server for more help and personal support from us. We also offer services like custom Discord bots or Discord server setups. If you are interested in any of those, we are waiting to serve you to the most affordable and the best products. Join our Discord now, link in description.